PAPERplus Shooter³ by Storopack. Protective paper pads at lightning speed. PAPERplus Shooter³ is the ultra-fast paper cushion system that can process up to 525 feet of recycled paper a minute. The paper cushions create volume in the box and optimize cushioning and filling. This makes them perfect for protecting your shipping goods. PAPERplus Shooter³ is very user-friendly and is available as a tabletop model and a standalone version. Thanks to an adjustable height and a swiveling head, the system makes work more ergonomic and increases working comfort. The integrated cutting device delivers paper cushions at the desired length. PAPERplus Shooter³ offers 3 operating modes: manual, on demand, and automatic mode. Due to its compact size, PAPERplus Shooter³ can be integrated easily into any existing packing environment. The simple-to-use machine offers convenient production of paper cushions at high speed directly at the packing station. This increases productivity and facilitates high throughput. PAPERplus Shooter³ by Storopack.